Question number 11. For the following frequency distribution, find median, lower quartile, upper quartile. Variate that is 25, 31, 34, 40, 45, 48, 50 and 60. And frequency. F. Cumulative frequency CF. 3, 8, 10, 15, 10, 9, 6 and 2. Cumulative frequency 3, as it is 3 plus 8 equal to 11, 11 plus 10 is equal to 21, 21 plus 15 is equal to 36, 36 plus 10 equal to 46, 46 plus 9 is equal to 55, 55 plus 6 equal to 61, 61 plus 2 equal to 63. So n is equal to 63, which is odd. So median equal to n plus 1 upon 2, which implies 63 plus 1 upon 2. 64 upon 2, that is equal to 34th term. 34th lies in cumulative frequency, that is 36, and directly median so median equal to 40. Answer. First part. Second part, lower quartile. Q1 equal to n plus 1 upon 4, which implies 63 plus 1 upon 4, 64 upon 4, 16th term, and 16 lies in cumulative frequency, that is 12 to 21, and Q1. Lower quartile Q1 equal to 34. Answer. And third part, upper quartile, that is Q3, 3 times of n plus 1 upon 4, which implies 3 into 64 upon 4, 48th term, and 48th number lies in cumulative frequency, that is 55. So Q3 upper quartile Q3 equal to 48, answer. Given variate, that is xi 25, 31, 34, 40, 45, 48, 50 and 60, and frequency f is equal to 3, 8, 10, 15, 10, 9, 6 and 2. So cumulative frequency 3 as it is, and 3 plus 8, that is equal to 11. 11 plus 10 is equal to 21, and 21 plus 15 is equal to 36. 36 plus 10 is equal to 46. 46 plus 9 equal to 55. 55 plus 6 equal to 61. 61 plus 2, that is equal to 63. So n is equal to 63, which is odd, and median equal to n plus 1 upon 2. N is 63. 63 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 64 upon 2th term, that is 34th term. 64 divided by 2 is equal to 34, and in cumulative frequency 34 lies in cumulative frequency 21 to 36, and median equal to corresponding value of xi 36, that is equal to 40. So median equal to 40, answer. And second part, lower quartile. Lower quartile is denoted by Q1, and formula equal to, if n is odd, then Q1 equal to n plus 1 divided by 4, that is equal to 63 plus 1 upon 4, 64 upon 4, that is 16th term. 16 lies in cumulative frequency 21, 12 to 21. So corresponding value of xi and cumulative frequency, that is equal to 34. So Q1, that is lower quartile, equal to 34, answer. And upper quartile is denoted by Q3, that is equal to 3 times of n plus 1 upon 4, and n is 63. So 63 plus 1 is 64, and 64 divided by 4 equal to 16, and 16 multiplied by 3 equal to 48th term. 48th number lies in cumulative frequency, that is in 47, 48 and up to 55. So corresponding value of xi and cumulative frequency, that is equal to 48. So Q3, that is upper quartile, equal to 48, answer. Thank you.